exclusive details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. The amenities and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in your description. For booking or more details, check description. If you are new on this channel